Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are gonna clean up this whole area. So I'm gonna show you what we're about to clean up. So all through here, we're gonna get all the leaves that are on the ground, knock them all down, get some of this pine straw out of here, over here, get all these vines. We might cut these trees, but I think he said he wanted to keep those. Through here, we're gonna cut anything we don't need. The only thing he wants to save in here is the azaleas. So we'll probably cut a bunch of this out. I might trim these azaleas a little bit, but you can see there's trees back there growing behind. So we're just gonna really clean it up, and I think it's gonna look like a pretty good transformation overall. Same thing through here, there's some trees. I might trim up this tree a little bit, but we might try to keep that as much as possible. There's actually a gate back there that he wants to have access to. And then through here, same thing. We're just gonna kind of cut down all this stuff, and then we're gonna take away all the debris. So yeah, that's what today's video is about. So I might just start weed whacking or get my chainsaw and start cutting this stuff out, because I got a helper here, so keep him busy just filling up the trailer. All right guys, this is the end product. I didn't get video of it beforehand. I actually thought I recorded on my phone, but I didn't for some reason. But yeah, just weed whacked everything, used the hedge trimmers. We kept this azalea bush because this is gonna bloom. Over here, weed whacked everything to the ground, kept everything that the customer wanted, this pittosporum right here, and just cleaned up all this stuff. And he's got a gate back there, so now he can kind of walk to that gate. But yeah, overall, he was really happy. And we actually did a bunch of work over there too for him. And he had some metal sheds over there I tore down. Didn't get any video of all that, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. If there's anything else you want to see, you know, camera angles, anything, let me know. And have a good one.